Yes, good morning, Master. And I have an import today, okay? So we're gonna be on live, okay? So we're going to have our cook school. So beside with me, I will call my import, our little chef, Kion. Go ahead, Kion. What can you say? Okay, Kion, what can you say?
Hello, everyone. Today we're gonna cook mashed goose without oil. Well, everything without oil is in here, Salad Master.
Yes.
Yeah, that's our little chef.
Yes, very good, Kion. Come here. Okay, my partner for today is our little chef, Kion. So we're going to prepare the pineapple upside down. We have the biko, the kubos tawa, the mashgoos, steamed fish, burger steak, pakbet, beef chongpan, omelette, and the halo-halo! So, we have our live audience here, okay? At the same time, we are calling all our owner or non-owner who attended the show, who is near here in Al-Wasel Road. Come and join us. We will celebrate the September cooking. Okay?
Happy Fiesta!
Okay. Yes, now to cook the first menu. Okay, so we have our pineapple. We have our chef Lynette Hassan. Okay.
So, hi everyone, welcome. Good morning to you again. I'm going to cook our pineapple upside down cake, and we will do it here in our electric skillet. Which is what? It's 10 in 1. So this is gonna be our oven, and you can do your griller also here. And later on, we will do some mashed goose also in our probably in our electric skillet
And without oil.
Yeah, without oil. So
everything in Salad Master is without oil.
Yes, that's good. So now we're gonna use this box cake, this lemon cake.
Yes.
Yep.
Okay.
So Barney,
So what is the first step, Ma'am Lynette?
we're gonna put this cake
Cake
mix
powder. It's cake powder.
in the bowl, and I'm gonna use our world famous food processor.
Wow.
It's not a gadget; it's a kitchen appliance.
And you can do your vegetables, cabbage, onion, carrot, apple, and it's for free if you come here.
Wow.
It's for free.
Yes, it's for free.
I'm using code number 1 as our grater. Okay, 1 moment.
Tutoy Vivo.
Okay.
And I will cut it.
Yeah, Kion will cut it. Only half, no, like this. There we go.
How many turns?
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's enough. 1 more.
Okay, this one.
Half.
Okay, so what's next,
What's
Kion?
next?
Apple.
Apple. Half of an apple.
And wait.
Be careful.
Careful. Okay.
And it's okay.
Okay.
See?
Only half of the
It's only
apple.
for kids can also enjoy.
Yes. One more.
Okay, let me.
Okay, go.
What you
I
want?
will do. Alright. Okay.
I'm a strong man.
One more. You wanna eat it? You can have it.
Yeah, later.
Okay, later. And then we'll get this half of this.
Kiwi.
No,
It's
it's
not.
a cucumber.
I'm just messing with you.
Ah! He's just checking if you guys are paying attention.
Okay.
Okay, oh, that's enough.
Okay.
One more. Okay,
Okay.
enough. That's enough.
And then you have
You have to crack the
Egg.
egg.
You open it. I'll crack it. You open it.
Easier to crack it here in our food processor.
Oh! Yeah,
Ah.
I straight away. Why you cracking it?
Yeah, it's easy. See, and now
Now,
We're going to...
mix. You do? Now
we're
mix.
gonna mix it.
I did a mix that.
Yes, mix that.
So you have to do the Salad Master Mix Dance. Okay?
Where's
So what are we going to use, Ate Lynette?
We're gonna put this brown sugar.
Can I?
Using
We're gonna
our...
using our electric skillet. So I'm gonna put this brown
Hey,
sugar
guys.
here. Why don't you mix the cake?
What do I mix it with?
So,
Yes, and then
it's not preheated yet, right?
not preheated
Okay.
yet.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Control. So if the skillet is not preheated yet, so I'm just putting the brown sugar. Putting the brown sugar, and then after that I'll put the pineapple. So it's gonna be, this is gonna be the top of the cake, because we're gonna put it upside down.
And that's why it's called the upside down pineapple cake.
Yes.
See? And then...
Ay, frozen pala yan.
Yes.
Strawberry.
There. Yeah, the strawberries.
Frozen pa. Pat dry yan. Pat dry yan. Okay, everybody's busy with the pineapple upside down cake.
Okay, so you can take video as well po, sir. So we have audience from Abu Dhabi. Yeah, and we
Yes.
have also our new owner as well, and we have also from Sharjah.
Yay!
And of course, we have from Dubai.
And we have from Alnada.
Okay. So if you are near here, so come and join us, and let's have our cooking.
Yes. So
Okay.
here,
So Ate Lynette, what are you doing?
I'm putting one of the strawberries on it.
designs
In the eye.
the eye of the
the
pineapple.
pineapple as your design. You can use cherries. You can use
Raisins,
raisins. You can use blueberries.
any fruits.
So yeah, any fruits you can. So this is the
Mix.
batter. As you can see, we didn't use any oil and water on it. Only the vegetables that we have in the fruit, and 2 tablespoons of the pineapple juice to add more flavor on it. So now I'm gonna dump this in.
Look at that.
Yes.
So our next will be the biko. So for the biko, you have to prepare, huh? Biko. Yeah, biko from Philippines. Yes.
So now, yeah.
And how long we will be cooking the pineapple upside down cake?
We are gonna cook it on a temperature at 165 for 7 minutes.
7 minutes.
Wow, amazing!
So
You'll
it's
be
not
having.
preheated, huh?
Yes,
Yes.
not really.
Yes. So right now, Salad Master Electric Skillet. This is a 10 kitchen gadgets. Okay, so you can have your rice cooker, slow cooker, oven, frying pan, indoor grilling, microwave, roaster. We can replace the air fryer and the griddle as well. Plus, of course, kettle. So it's gonna be like an alkaline water. Okay.
So now I'll put it on 165. This is our probe. And then 7 minutes.